Barbara Williams, and this is Duck. We're with Floribama Farms. And we just got in a new load of fresh local cabbage from Bengston Farms. And we thought we would show you one of our favorite dishes that we love to eat here at the farm. It's one of Duck's specialties. It's her stir-fry cooked cabbage. And basically, why do we like using local cabbage? Let's tell them about the local cabbage.
It tastes really good, sweet, tender, and fresh. It's really fresh.
It really makes a difference using a local head of cabbage. It does. It's a little milder tasting. So, here's the ingredients for Duck's stir-fry cabbage with an Indian twist. Okay. And basically, that's about a teaspoon?
Yes.
Teaspoon?
Yes.
Okay. And you can add a little more if you want it a little hotter.
Yes.
Add a little less if it's
if you like it spicy, add more. If you don't like it too much spicy, add
okay.
less.
Okay.
Soon you hear the mustard seeds popping. Okay, I'm going to add the mustard seeds in there. Okay. See?
Yep, I hear the mustard seeds starting to pop. Okay.
Then you put the garlic.
That's the garlic and the serrano peppers?
Yes.
She's teaching me how to cook.
Let the garlic and the pepper stir fry in there a little bit.
Okay.
And quickly you add your cabbage to it.
Okay. And that's about 2 pounds. That's a 2-pound head of cabbage. That's actually quite a bit of cabbage out of that.
It'll cook down.
So you keep it stirred, moving around so it cooks evenly.
Yes.
Okay. That smells good already. Okay, we got the coriander in there.
Now putting turmeric in there. Coriander.
Okay.
And a teaspoon of salt.
How much salt do you put in there, Duck?
Half a teaspoon.
Okay. You can use regular salt or sea salt,
Yeah,
right?
anything, yeah.
Okay.
Regular salt, terrible. It is.
There you go.
That looks good. That looks really good.
And then you just add a couple of cilantro.
Dressing it up.
Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Here's a couple of unsuspecting customers that just stopped in. They're sampling Duck's stir-fry cabbage with an Indian twist. Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Or what do you think? Do you like spicy?
I love spicy.
Good deal.
It's not really that spicy.
Yeah.
It's pretty good though.
Good.
It's well balanced.